Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Okay, look at the board all of you. What you can see on a board? Which picture is this? Tell me which picture is this? It's a gloves. What is this? Gloves. ग्लव्स के आप लोग स्टार्टिंग में किस चीज का साउंड आ रहा है? ग्लव्स. 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 ओके. Okay, now look at this. Which sound is this? Which sound is this? G. Which sound is this? G. How to write G? Raise your two fingers. Make a go up, come down and down, turn a little. G. Okay, students. Now I will tell you how to write G in lines. First, count the lines with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many lines? 4 lines. Start from second line. 1, 2. This is second line. First, make her. Write this. Make her go up, come down and down, turn a little. Go. Okay, student. Open your reader. Page number 9. Look and say. Look and say. G. Which letter is this? G. Sound is G. Sound is G. Mama G. Baby G. G. Grapes. G. Globe. G. Goose. G. Girl. G. Glass. G. Gate. Okay, take the missing piece of the girl. A और B, इसके यहाँ पे कौन सा वाला पीस होना चाहिए? Now trace G and G.